Stick around to see why Notta is the future of note-taking. It's a total game changer. Getting started with Notta AI is super easy. Just click the link in the description, sign up, and you're good to go. Ever feel like you're drowning in notes during meetings or classes, trying to catch every word? What if you could just relax and focus on the conversation without stressing about missing anything important? Well, meet Notta, an AI-powered tool that handles all your note-taking. Stick around to see why Notta is the future of note-taking. It's a total game changer. Getting started with Notta is super easy. Just click the link in the description, sign up, and you're good to go. Once you're in, you'll land on the Notta AI dashboard, ready to explore. One of Notta's best features is instant record. Choose your transcription language, whether monolingual if you're using one language or bilingual, and hit record and transcribe. That's it. Notta transcribes everything in real time while you talk. No waiting, no hassle. You speak, it writes. Notta's magic doesn't stop there. You can also upload existing audio or video files, whether from your phone, computer, YouTube, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Just upload, select the language, and let Notta transcribe it instantly. No effort required from you, and it saves so much time. And here's the best part. Notta can record and transcribe online meetings too. Join any live meeting, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. Choose your language mode and hit transcribe. It's that easy. Notta also offers advanced settings to make it your own. Name your Notta bot, toggle notifications, or even enable bilingual translation for smooth, real-time transcription. Once everything's set, Notta instantly transcribes everything. Once the transcription is done, create professional summaries, mind maps, or review key points. You can export them in any format or connect to your favorite apps. Plus, the AI chat feature helps you quickly find answers to any important points from your meeting. With Notta handling the notes, you can finally focus on what matters, engaging in the conversation and brainstorming ideas without worrying about missing anything. If you've ever struggled with taking notes during interviews or client meetings, Notta's screen recording feature is a game changer. Simply choose your video settings, and Notta will record both the audio and visuals in real time, identifying each speaker so you'll know exactly who said what. Once the conversation ends, just hit Start Recording, and the interface pops up. You can pause, resume, or stop recording anytime. Afterward, your recording is saved, and Notta instantly transcribes both the video and audio. You can easily access everything in all records on the homepage. How awesome is that? So, what are you waiting for? Stop stressing about notes and start focusing on the conversation. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos on how AI tools can make your life easier. Thanks for watching.